Welcome to Cougar Mountain Software Denali Essential Training. Denali Payroll Shelter Codes. This video covers how to set up shelter codes to shelter certain payroll items from certain payroll taxes. Denali Payroll Shelter Codes allow you to shelter certain payroll items, such as certain types of wages, benefits, or deductions from various payroll taxes as needed. To set up a shelter code, first create a code name for the shelter code you are creating, and then give it an appropriate description. Each tax code you have set up in Denali Payroll, along with their tax types, will be listed in the shelter code setup here. Select which tax codes and tax types you want to shelter from. For this example, we are setting up a shelter code to only shelter from withholding taxes, but not from FICA, Medicare, or unemployment taxes. Now that the shelter code is set up, you can apply it to the various payroll items as needed to shelter those items based on the shelter code setup. For example, you may have a 401k deduction set up for employees who have a certain amount deducted from their paycheck to contribute to a 401k plan. And if needed, you can set up a pre-tax deduction by sheltering it here. Using the shelter code we just created, this will cause Denali Payroll to not include this deduction amount as part of the taxable wages. This is known as a pre-tax deduction. Please keep in mind that this example may not be appropriate for the payroll tax laws in your area. Be sure to consult a payroll tax specialist or certified public accountant if you have any questions as to what should be taxed and what should be sheltered. Using Denali Payroll Shelter Codes will give you the option to exempt certain payroll items from payroll taxes as needed to ensure your payroll taxes are calculated correctly.